Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Toyota Highlander Hybrid safely and effectively. First, gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and in park, with the parking brakes engaged. Then, locate the 12-volt auxiliary battery in your Highlander, which is typically under the hood. Next, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red positive cable and attach it to the positive terminal of your Highlander's dead 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. Now, take the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Highlander, away from the battery. This creates a good ground connection. Once all cables are securely connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this, you can attempt to start your Toyota Highlander Hybrid. To disconnect the cables, reverse the order. First, remove the black negative cable from your Highlander, then from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally from your Highlander. Allow your Highlander to run for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.